This video brought to you by BCM Institute.
We have identified all these threats. From the threats, we will ask ourselves what's the maximum number of days that is affected. Let's come back to Asia. I don't use 30 days or 90 days. Okay, let's try an organization that's being impacted. Okay, we have fire, we have flood, we have IT failure, and we come out of this whole list. Okay, normally I'll give you about 10 to 15 the most, and then we'll cut down back to about 8 to 10. All right, from here, I want to pick the impact that's highest in terms of number of days of outage. I'm taking this as a Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, excluding Philippines, okay, where we have, Philippines has earthquake and typhoons. Okay, so in view of this, this is the worst thing, which is they'll take us up for 7 days and we have to retrofit. So based on that, I'll take these 7 days and put it here. And these 7 days, why is it important to me? Because this is in Singapore or in Singapore, Malaysia, this is the maximum outage that we will be taken out in our context. Okay, maximum. Now, then there's two schools of thought. One school says we should have a plan for every threat. The only extra plan I have advocated all my life to have an extra plan is called pandemic plan. That's the only plan I will advocate to have a separate plan, because pandemic plan is a evolving crisis. It changes government intervention and the spread. But if you are talking about fire, power outage, when the disaster happens, there's a start and an end time, which is, to me, in a fire, I will be back in 7 days. So this maximum number of 7 days. Ladies and gentlemen, why is this number very important? This number is by the way, this report is approved by management. You will be submitting this as a risk management report, which we will be talking to our 5,000 level friend on module 3 and module 4, how to put up a report, a BI report, how to present to management. This is what at the expert level we will teach you how to report to management. Okay, what management is going to tell us and all this. So management is going to ask a question. Why are we not planning 30 days? Why are we not planning a doomsday scenario? You see where I'm coming from? So from here, all of us have come to a consensus that, let's say we use Malaysia. The worst case is a fire that brings us down for 7 days. If there's a flood, maybe 1 day, 2 days, we'll be back. Building failure, power failure in Singapore and Malaysia, in Thailand, we're talking about 2-3 days. Okay, the lift not operating and so on and so forth.